All right, guys, took a little dip here this morning. I was really hoping for the market to stay up there, but we're still close. So I'm looking at putting on the call side first. All right, let's take a look. Positions. Down here, 60. All right. Looking at now 46.15. Oh, it's moving higher. 46.15, 46.25. That's at 65. I know if I take it higher, I'm just going to place that. I'm going to place that one there. Let's see if we'll get out. Yeah. Now it's at 50. Okay. So we just got it at 55. So we got a 46.15, 46.25 call, 55 premium. Let's go with the put side. And that one went down, so let's move that down a little bit. So we've got 40, 45, 55, 45, 45. Let's see if we can get that in. I doubt it. Now it's at 48 now. No, went down. Come on, come on. Go down. See if we can get 50 here. Think we're going to get it. 53 it's showing. Nope. Yeah, we're at 45 again. All right, I'm going to move that up a little bit. Okay, so 45, 55, 45, 45. And that's filled at 55 cents. So we got two positions, both positions at 55 premium, and that's the way it's going to be. Let's hope we have a nice, steady, sideways day. All right, guys, we'll see you on the other side. Thanks. Bye.